In this video, I'll show you how to add take profit and stop loss on Bitget. First, open the Bitget app and log in. Go to the Trade tab, choose Spot or Futures. Then pick your trading pair, for example, BTC/USDT. On the order screen, select your order type, usually limit or market, and set the price and amount you want to buy or sell. Under the order panel, tap TP/SL or take profit/stop loss to open the settings. Enter your take profit price, where you want Bitget to close the trade in profit, and your stop loss price, where the trade should close if the market moves against you. For a long position, TP is normally above your entry price and SL is below the entry. Check the prices in trading pair carefully, then confirm the TP/SL settings. After that, tap buy or sell to place the order with your protection already attached. If you need to adjust later, go to Orders or Positions, select the trade, and edit or remove the TP/SL. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.